Hey guys, quick comparison: Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd generation comparing to Google Chromecast 4K. So the resolution is similar on both. You have HDR support here, but you have Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus for Xiaomi TV Box. But for the Google Chromecast, you have 4K there. You're gonna have HDR10 plus HDR10 ALG, so it supports more. Then also audio formats. So the Xiaomi also supports DTS:X. The CPU, again, only for the Xiaomi TV Box S here. The RAM is better for Chromecast, 4 GB comparing to 2. Storage is a tie on both. Xiaomi supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 here for Xiaomi. Remote control you have on both. But on the Chromecast, you have Ethernet LAN cable, so that's very good. So the USB port is on both. HDMI is same on both. The design Chromecast is a little bit smaller. Package contents, so you have HDMI cable, adapter, remote, and it really depends like where you buy it, of course. And color is subjective. So this is just like straightforward video for you, just like comparison of the tech. If it is like interesting to you, I hope so. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.